In this video, I'll be showing you how to get the Brawl Stars Dev Build on your device. First, let me clarify that the Dev Build is intended for testing and development purposes, so it's not an official release, and using it may come with risks. That being said, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your device allows installation from unknown sources. If you're on Android, head to your phone's settings, tap Security, and enable Install from unknown sources. For iOS, the process is a little trickier, and you might need to have a developer account. Once that's set up, go ahead and open your browser and search for a trusted source to download the Brawl Stars Dev Build. This may require downloading a special APK file for Android or a test-flight link for iOS. After you have the link or APK file, simply click Download and follow the on-screen instructions. Once it's finished downloading, open the file and proceed with the installation process. For Android users, the system will ask if you want to install the Dev Build, so click Install and the app will be ready to go. For iOS users, you'll need to open the TestFlight app and accept the invitation to install the Dev Build. After installation, launch the game, and you'll have access to the testing features available in the Dev Build. Just keep in mind that since this version is still in development, some bugs or issues might pop up, but it's a great way to try new updates before anyone else. If you run into any issues during installation or need further assistance, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.